Welcome to this powerful slow English plus shadowing practice session. In this video, you will learn 300 extremely useful English sentences that you can use every single day at home, at work, while traveling, and in real conversations. This lesson is designed for beginners intermediate, learners A1, B1 who want to speak more naturally, build real-life vocabulary, think in English, improve pronunciation through shadowing, boost fluency without boring textbooks. How to use this video. Listen to each sentence slowly. Repeat after me using the shadowing method. Practice daily. Your fluency will grow automatically. This is one of the most practical English lessons on the channel. Save it, repeat it, and master English step by step. 300 useful English sentences slow, plus shadowing. Let's begin. Take a deep breath. Relax and enjoy your practice. Section 1. Basic everyday sentences. 1. I just woke up. 2. I need a few more minutes. 3. Let me check my phone. 4. I feel a bit tired today. 5. I slept pretty well. 6. I'm getting ready for the day. 7. I need a cup of coffee. 8. I'm making breakfast. 9. What are your plans for today? 10. I don't have much time. 11. I'm leaving in 10 minutes. 12. I'm on my way. 13. I'll be there soon. 14. I'm running a little late. 15. Thank you for waiting. 16. Let's get started. 17. I'm working on something right now. 18. I'll call you back. 19. I'm busy at the moment. 20. I need a short break. Section 2. Work and study sentences. 21. I'm checking my emails. 22. I need to finish this task. 23. Can you help me with this? 24. I'll take care of it. 25. I don't understand. Can you repeat? 26. That makes sense. 27. I agree with you. 28. I'm not sure about this. 29. Let's think about it. 30. I need more time. 31. I'll do it tomorrow. 32. I'm almost done. 33. Everything looks good. 34. I'm learning something new every day. 35. I'll try my best. Section 3. Daily life sentences. 36. I'm going to the store. 37. Do we need anything? 38. I'm cooking dinner. 39. This tastes really good. 40. I'm cleaning the house. 41. I need to do the laundry. 42. I'm washing the dishes. 43. I'm organizing my room. 44. I need a little rest. 45. I'm going to take a shower. 46. I'm getting ready for bed. 47. Today was a long day. 48. I feel much better now. 49. I'm going to sleep early. 50. See you tomorrow. Section 4. Communication sentences. 51. How are you today? 52. I'm doing great, thank you. What's your sen? What s? Going on? 54. I'm happy to hear that. 55. I'm sorry to hear that. 56. Don't worry about it. 57. Everything will be okay. 58. Can you speak more slowly? 59. Could you say that again? 60. That's very kind of you. 61. I appreciate your help. 62. Thank you so much. 63. You're welcome. 64. That sounds good to me. 65. Let's keep in touch. Section 5. Travel and going out. 66. Where are we going? 67. How far is it? 68. I need directions. 69. Can you show me on the map? 70. I'd like to order something. 71. What do you recommend? 72. The food looks amazing. 73. Could I have the bill, please? 74. How much does it cost? 75. I'd like to pay by card. Great job today. You repeated 300 useful English sentences slowly and clearly. If you practice this lesson every day, even for 10 minutes, your speaking will improve naturally. Save this video, come back tomorrow, and keep building your English step by step. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in the next lesson.